This will happen if you don't have an SSL certificate to your website. Google will penalize your site with this scary page to your visitors. It's important to have it. Hi guys, this is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to add a free SSL certificate to your WordPress website to keep your website's data transferred, encrypted, and secured on the internet. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, there are two options and steps in this video. Number one, we're gonna use the free SiteGround SSL certificate if you host your website with them. And number two, we are going to use the really simple SSL plugin. Alright, let's get started with the option number one. We will use the free SiteGround SSL certificate if you host your website with them. This is my demo store. Right now, it doesn't have an SSL certificate, so it has this red exclamation icon and the word saying not secure, and there is no HTTPS protocol either, and then Google will give you this scary page to your visitors. You don't want your visitors to get into this page at all because they have to take more steps in order to get to your website. They have to click the advanced button and then plus have to click that link. But mostly if people see that page, they're not gonna stay there or trying to take further steps to get to your website. They're gonna get out of there fast. Alright, let's go to the SiteGround account. Let's log in here. Enter your username and your password. If you want the browser to remember all the credentials, just click stay logged in and click the login button, and then go to the tab called websites. We need to get to the websites page. Click Site Tools of the website that you want to add an SSL certificate to. Click Security on the left panel and click SSL Manager. Select an option from this drop-down box. Let's encrypt wildcard and click Get. Encrypt wildcard is to add the SSL certificate to any subdomain names too. And then click the three dots to select Enforce HTTPS. You could also access this section by clicking the HTTPS Enforce menu on the left panel. Click the toggle button on the right to enable the HTTPS protocol. Let's go to the front end to see the results. Here you go. It has an SSL certificate padlock icon. Alright, next, let's go with the option number two. We are gonna use the really simple SSL plugin instead. Alright, let's go to the dashboard of your website. Click Plugins. Click Add New on the top of the page. Type Simple SSL. That's the plugin that we are gonna install. It's called Really Simple SSL. Click the Install button and then click the Activate button. Let's check on the Install plugin by clicking Install Plugins on the left panel. As you notice here, we have a warning message up here because we have a conflict with another plugin from SiteGround. It is the SiteGround Optimizer. So we need to deactivate this plugin. Let's scroll down a little bit here and click the activate link right here to get rid of this plugin. So we will be able to get rid of that warning message. Alright, that message is gone now, so we're good to go. As you could see this section, let's click the Activate SSL button right here to activate our SSL certificate, and then you'll be redirected back to the settings of the plugin. For this section right here, there are some tasks that you have to follow through in order to get 100% of your progress to get your SSL all across your website and your subdomains. But we don't have to worry about this section. Actually, You could click on each link of each task and then you'll get another page to read the article that you could go through. It's like a tutorial that you could follow through to get this done. The section that we need to focus on is the settings section right next to it. Once you go through some of the settings right there, the progress on the left will be updated automatically. Click the button to enable 301.htaccess redirect and then click the button to stop editing the .htaccess file. Click the button to fire mixed content fixer with a different method and then click the save button once everything looks good. You don't have to worry about the last two options. There you go! The website has an SSL certificate on both in the dashboard and on the front end. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. You guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I will see you in my next video. Bye now!